Whether you're looking for an efficient way to stay active during your workday, or you want to add full-body cardio to your exercise routine, standing ellipticals are an excellent low-impact option. In today's video, we've considered features, quality, and value to narrow down our picks for the top 7 best upright elliptical machines available now. Number 7. Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Elliptical. This elliptical is a compact exercise machine with a 220-pound weight capacity. Our favorite thing about this elliptical is its value and versatility. You can work out while standing or sitting thanks to the bidirectional pedaling feature. We also like that it includes a belt drive mechanism for smooth and quiet strides. The compact design, with a built-in carry handle, makes it easy to move at just 26.5 pounds. It has 8 levels of magnetic resistance, and you can track basic stats with the digital display. We also appreciate the included padded resistance bands for upper body engagement. The pros of this machine are that it's a good budget option. It can be used standing or seated, and it includes resistance bands. The cons are that because of its more compact design, it has a smaller range of motion. Number 6. Stamina Inmotion Compact Strider. The Stamina Inmotion Compact Strider is a low-profile mini elliptical with a maximum weight capacity of 250 pounds, designed for easy integration into your daily routine, whether seated or standing. Built with sturdy steel construction, it features non-slip pedals for a secure, smooth stride. We like the forward and reverse motion pedals and the built-in monitor that tracks total strides, time, and calories burned. Adjustable tension allows you to personalize workout intensity, while the option to use it under a desk or standing adds versatility. We also appreciate the added integration with the Move app for personalized smart workouts. The pros are that it's compact, can be used standing or seated, and has smooth motion. One con is that the display is quite small and can be hard to see when in use. Number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness 2-in-1 Upright Elliptical. The Sunny Health and Fitness 2-in-1 Upright Elliptical is a compact, versatile machine with a weight capacity of 220 pounds, designed for small spaces and measuring just 17 by 57 by 28 inches. Built with a sturdy steel frame, it includes non-slip handlebars, foot pedals, and floor stabilizers for a safe, comfortable workout. We also like the magnetic resistance paired with a belt drive system, providing a quiet and smooth stride. The LCD display helps you track time, speed, distance, calories, RPM, and the machine has a pulse rate monitor as well. We appreciate the space-saving design, complete with transportation wheels for easy storage. The pros of this machine are its steel construction. It provides a good full-body workout and includes a hand pulse monitor. The cons are that some parts of the construction could use some improvement. Number 4. MERACH Elliptical Machine. The MERACH Elliptical Machine is a compact, feature-rich elliptical with a sturdy L-shaped structural design made from high-density carbon steel and a 15-pound flywheel. With a maximum weight capacity of 330 pounds, it gives you a quiet and engaging workout thanks to 16 levels of adjustable magnetic resistance. We also like that it includes Bluetooth connectivity for real-time synchronization with app-based courses. Adjustable handle height and resistance bands can add extra versatility to your exercise. We appreciate its space-saving footprint as well, requiring less than 6.5 square feet of floor space, great for home use. The pros are that it has great features, an efficient design, and smooth motion. One con is that it doesn't include moving handles. Number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness Smart 2-in-1 Upright Elliptical. The Sunny Health and Fitness Smart 2-in-1 Upright Elliptical full-body exerciser offers a versatile cardio experience, letting you switch between elliptical motion and cycling. Built for a maximum user capacity of 220 pounds, it features an 11-pound flywheel with 8 levels of resistance for a customized workout. We like that the 4-way adjustable seat gives you another option for comfort during extended sessions, and the digital monitor helps track calories, distance, pulse, and more. The device holder adds convenience, and we appreciate the Bluetooth connectivity to sync with the Sunny app for personalized fitness tracking. Pulse sensors enhance workout feedback. The pros are that it gives a very good full-body workout, can be used standing or seated, and is smooth and quiet. The cons are that it could use a larger stride length overall. Number 2. MERACH 3-in-1 Elliptical Machine. The MERACH 3-in-1 elliptical machine is built with a sturdy steel frame and offers a unique 45-degree slope and 11-inch vertical stride for an intense mountain climbing experience at home. Featuring a 16-pound stainless steel flywheel, it provides a quiet and smooth workout with 16 levels of magnetic resistance, catering to different fitness levels. We like the built-in heart rate monitor for accurate feedback and the integration with the MERACH app to make workouts more engaging. We also appreciate the compact design, covering just 6.9 square feet, great for home environments. The weight capacity of this machine is 300 pounds. The pros are that it's sturdy, has a large display, a smooth stride, and a good range of motion. One con is that it is much easier to follow the instruction video than use the included manual.
Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.
Number 1. Schwinn Fitness Elliptical Machine. The Schwinn Fitness Elliptical Machine is made with a durable alloy steel and has a 20-inch stride with precision path foot motion technology for a more natural running experience. Its high-speed, high-inertia drive system gives you a smooth, quiet workout, while the large cushioned foot plates enhance comfort for low-impact exercise. We like the flexibility of the ergonomically placed moving and fixed handlebars and the 20 levels of computer-controlled resistance that adjust to various fitness levels. We also appreciate the manually adjustable ramp, giving you 6 incline options for more workout versatility. The goal track capability helps users set and achieve personalized fitness goals as well. The pros of this model are that it has great features and versatility, excellent stats and display, and it's smooth and quiet. One potential con is that it's not as compact as some of the other options if you're short on space. Do you still need a little more help deciding on the best standing elliptical for your fitness goals? Take this chance to head over to the description below for the most current info, availability, and latest deals on each of these choices. And remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let us know your opinion.